Well, when it comes to choosing attorneys, there are plenty of options, but how do you know whether you're picking the best one for your legal problem? Board-certified family law specialist Bud Kluick is back along with another attorney in the law firm, Kimberly Kirkpatrick. Welcome. Thanks for being with us again.
Good morning.
Thanks for having us.
Now, most people don't know there are several courts involved in family law, right? Tell us, briefly what they are.
Well, there's three different courts in San Diego that will handle custody issues. You have the family court, which handles mom and dad custody issues. You have the probate court, which is going to handle issues when someone other than mom and dad, like a grandparent, is looking to take care of the children. And then you have juvenile court when there's been allegations that the children have been abused or neglected.
And you need different attorneys who have expertise in that area. Do attorneys in your law firm have expertise in all those courts?
Oh yes, we've done obviously hundreds or thousands of cases in family law, and many cases in juvenile court, and many guardianships in probate court as well. And there's actually an overlay if there's in fact any criminal aspects involved, for example, in terms of domestic violence or something like that, then the criminal courts can also make orders regarding children. And so you have potential of 4 different court systems making orders about the same family and the same children. So it gets a little complicated, Greg.
What should people look for when they're looking to choose a family law attorney? I mean, there's you can go on the internet, you can go through the yellow pages, and there's a ton of ads, but what should people really be looking for?
That's kind of my mission in life, is to tell them that they have a lot of choices, not just in the actual attorneys. And sometimes you have choices within the law firm. Obviously, we have boy attorneys and girl attorneys. We have a certified specialist, which I am, and we have a variety of billable rates as a result of the fact that we have a variety of choices. But the methodology itself, Greg, you need to kind of match the family and their needs and their personality in family law with the methodology, because there's a variety of choices. We have a little poem. It is litigation, mediation, or collaborative law. Divorce is no longer one size fits all. And so there are a variety of choices. I just ticked them off. Litigation is the old-fashioned, you go to court, usually you both have attorneys and you kind of duke it out and the judge makes the decision. Mediation, you hire a neutral, trained professional. Yeah, I actually have a credential from the National Dispute Resolution Center. It took me more than a year of training to do that. Or collaborative law, which is like a team approach, which has a mental health and a financial component to it, and cooperative law, which is kind of another element of that, where you kind of pick and choose the elements that you want to incorporate into your team. And we offer all of that, and very few offices do in San Diego County, maybe throughout Southern California. And if the viewers contact us, we'll answer questions about any of those various options and methodologies.
And maybe recite a poem as well.
Well, there you go.
Now, you want to make sure that you choose an attorney that you feel comfortable with and that is accommodating to your needs, which we touched on, but that's so important, because so often you hear these horror stories where people give their money to an attorney and then they can't get a hold of them. How do you make sure that you choose an attorney that is going to be comfortable with exactly what you want?
Well, in our firm, we have 3 different attorneys and 3 different paralegals. So, first of all, when you're looking for an attorney that you click with, I think that's really important. And again, Bud touched on some people are more comfortable with a male, some people are more comfortable with a female. So that's important. And because we've got 3 paralegals, which is a pretty high ratio of paralegals to attorneys, and paralegals are a little bit like nurses to doctors, so they're professionals in their own right, and they assist the attorneys and the clients in getting their cases handled. And so, since we do have 6 different professionals in the firm, we do pride ourselves on being able to get back to our clients in a timely manner. We can email and talk to them on the phone. Again, whatever they're most comfortable with.
And experience is key.
Absolutely.
Yes, but if I'm in court, they can get in touch with Kimberly, they can get in touch with Ellen, who's our other attorney, or one of the paralegals, so there's a great availability.
Okay, and Bud Kluick and Kim Kirkpatrick, people want to get a hold of you, they could just go to your website, familylawsandiego.com, or call 619-448 6500. Thank you so much for coming in again.
Sure.
Thank
Good
you.
to see you.
Good to see you.
And for more information, you can go to our website, san diego6.com. San Diego Living is coming right back.